dirt road in it.
Behind us. That's what they're calling dirt road?
Yeah, but it opens
Yeah.
up.
No, no.
Yep.
You're windy.
Hold on.
God, I quit smoking.
Alright, so this is a dirt road that we're going out to do this estimate for some junk removal. Apparently this guy has a very large bull that's not very nice. Doesn't have the best demeanor. So I don't know, he's supposed to be putting it up. Hopefully it stays up and doesn't get it out. Because I'd hate for Brian to get hurt. So we'll stay tuned here and we'll see what happens. Now this is the road. It's a little dirt road up by. You can see this farm here up on the hill. It's got like sheds like this all over the place. Old equipment, old metal. This side you see railroad tracks. Down there, you can see behind us. Eddie's driving, I'm narrating because I've got a broken fibula, apparently. There is indeed a lot of cow shit.
Let's worry about the tires.
Eddie's getting out to make sure there's nothing in the road punctured. Uh-oh! Found a piece of debris in the road that could have punctured the tire. And as you know, these tires are not cheap. So, good eye, Eddie, on that, good eye. You can see all these little sheds and everything. What's that up there?
That's what they live in.
No, not that.
The house?
I think they're kin to the white takers.
Oh yeah, the white taker. Or just right here now.
That bull's right here.
We're just bulling it.
And he didn't say that he's going to put it up. He said we got to watch it.
Oh, I'll be watching it right from the truck, I guarantee you. God, look at that. You know what?
Reminds me of Little House on the Prairie.
I don't know. I just heard a banjo. I'm sorry if this is shaky, but it's very bumpy.
There's your flatbed.
Yeah. Nice old square body. You see we're at a cattle farm somewhere deep in the hills of West Bygod, Virginia. I'm gonna let these boys get out and do this estimate while I sit here and not walk. But he's got a lot of property out here. He's calling this bull up, I believe. You can hear him. Here comes Eddie. He wants no part of this, as do I. Brian's dumb enough to stand out there, look. Brian's in a daze. What's going on?
Scared for my life.
Yeah. that one at the young bull. He's still kicking snot out of you. Brian's still standing out there.
He done stood back. He seen that bull coming. Dude. He might have took off from him. He ain't tall.